Here is a 32-inch Hampton Bay Minuet II that I just picked up yesterday. It is in white finish with bleed stroke blades, and it is from May of 1998. So it is a late 90s model. It has the pull chains on the same side, opposed to the early 2000s models, which would have them on the opposite side. And this fan actually came 100% complete. It came with the original Hampton Bay pull chains, which are metal. That's really nice. All the screws came with it, and picked up off Craigslist for around $8, so it was not a bad deal. Unfortunately though, when I got it, it was sitting on its blades, so a lot of the blades are out of whack. I tried bending some of them back, but it just doesn't really work out. I don't want to snap them or anything. I'm guessing this fan might have been installed in maybe an unused bathroom or a closet or something, because there was barely any dust on the blades. So it seemed like it was barely even used. But that's that. Yeah, I cleaned it up though. It's not that dusty anymore. And oh yeah, and another thing is, when I got it, the some of the screws were stripped out, like that one. That one's not looking so hot either, but that one was a pain in the ass to get out, but I managed to get it. That's just in there to keep it in place though. I'm gonna get a new screw for that when I go to Home Depot next. But yeah, I'll demonstrate the light for you. There's that. It's gonna rock a lot since the blades are eye-clocked though. There's low speed. I remember always seeing these in the Home Depot catalogs, and I always wanted one as a kid, but I just never got around to getting one. I've seen these a lot around my life. I've seen a lot of these. My aunt actually, before she moved out, she had one of these in her attic, and it was actually a really cool install. It had the it was just like this one actually. It had the chains on the same side, but instead of the Hampton Bay pulls, it had some plasticky white pulls. But yeah, that got left with the house though. I couldn't get that. But and one of my other friends had a late 90s one in his bathroom. Unfortunately he passed away and they sold the house after that. But yeah, it's gonna sway around a little bit and the chains are gonna hit the glass, but just gotta deal with it. Let's switch it up to medium. I'm trying to think of who else had these. A lot of people did. I just gotta remember. There was an antique store that had 3 of these in a row. It was a pretty cool install too. And I think that building is actually demolished now. But I was very little at the time. I could not even think about getting them out. This is actually a good little air mover though. I'm really surprised with it. I wouldn't mind having this in a bathroom or a small closet or something. It's a pretty good little fan. I'm not sure how the new ones perform though, the 2000s, mid-2000s ones, since I never really experienced one of them. But it's that. And I'll switch up to high speed. That's high. There's a Hampton. stop it. And I'll show you some of the stickers on the top. Get a better view of them. And that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.